Understanding light should be very important for every photographer. We all know how light behaves and subconsciously understand the difference between bright light or sunlight and also between shade or dark. Let's dive into some details and understand how different lights affect our photography. Light is a form of energy that cameras can capture and turn into beautiful photos. The sensors in our cameras capture light and freeze the information at that time to be reproduced later as photos or videos. There are three properties of light that define light, or we can say there are three ways to measure the amount and quality of light or the light source: brightness, color, and contrast. The brighter the light is, the better the picture turns out to be for most situations. There is a minimum brightness needed to capture any scene properly, and in our other videos we have talked about exposure triangle to manage this. The color of light is an important factor in capturing a desired scene. Generally, when we shoot natural light or with studio lights, we assume the light to be white, but the white light is composed of all colors from violet to red. We have discussed earlier about white balance setting in the camera, which manages the color balance in an image. Contrast is the third and most important property of light, which manages the balance between the light and the dark elements in the scene. If the light source is focused and is not diffuse, it will reduce high contrast images, and on the other hand, scattered light produces low contrast images. This was a small introduction on what light is. In the next video, we'll get into details of different kinds of lights.